Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect a Godaddy domain to your Hostinger website. First, log in to your Hostinger account and open the H-Panel dashboard. Once you are inside the dashboard, look at the left side menu and click on the Domains option. Find the domain you want to use and click on the Manage button next to that domain name. After opening the management page, look again at the left side menu. Here you will see several options. Click on the DNS or name server section. Click on the copy option next to the name servers or copy them manually. You will need these name servers in the next step. Now open a new tab and log into your Godaddy account. After signing in, go to the My Products page. Find the domain that you want to connect to your Hostinger website. Next to that domain, click on the option that says DNS or Manage DNS. Scroll down until you find the name server section. Here you will see the current name server settings for your domain. Click the Change button. A new window will appear with different options. Select the option that says I will use my own name servers. Now enter the Hostinger name servers you copied earlier. After entering the name servers, click Save to apply the changes. Once the propagation is complete, your Godaddy domain will start pointing to your Hostinger website. Thanks for watching.